Sa akin, ang forfeit immediately. Naintindihan ko yung sinasabi ng Supreme Court eh. As a matter of fact, tataka ko sa iba, ang reading nila iba eh. Parang ang reading nila, parang sinasabi na tama yung nangyari last time. Di ba? Hindi pa pwede eh. Hindi pa pwedeng tama eh. Sapagkat ang nangyari noon, February 5, kung di ako nagkakamali, 5:49 p.m. dumating yung articles of impeachment sa Senate eh. June 10, 2025, nag-convene as an impeachment court. Definitely, hindi forfeit yun. Definitely, hindi rin pasok doon sa definition ng Supreme Court na within reasonable time. To me, forthwith is tomorrow. Forthwith is convening and presenting the articles of impeachment to the impeachment court. Okay. Yun. And then you get the ball rolling right away.